Jason Toll with Grasshopper Mowers. Today I am attaching an AERA-Vator to a 932 gas Grasshopper zero-turn lawnmower. The AERA-Vators are used for aeration purposes in your yard. Most of the time they're used early spring and late fall with either overseedings or just to break the ground up to allow the moisture to penetrate deeper into the subsoils. The AERA-Vator does fit on any 700 and 900 series mower that has hydraulic deck lift. As you can see here, this AERA-Vator is on the supplied cart. It comes with the cart, making it easier for one man to do this job. The only tool that you're going to need today is going to be the traction tool found in the back of your deck for the traction chains. One thing that I would like to point out, beforehand we have installed the actual latch onto this tractor. It is these two pieces that go onto the front frame, bolting into position. It allows the AERA-Vator, when it's raised, to latch into position for transportation in between jobs. The other thing that has been added to this mower is the traction rocker extensions. It's this horn portion of the tractor, allowing it to have vertical chains instead of the horizontals that your deck would normally use. This is what is raising and lowering the AERA-Vator. The cart helps a lot because this is a very heavy piece of machinery, but it allows you to be able to roll it into position. You can go ahead and roll it most all the way back. What I would say right now is let's go ahead and we're going to hook up this power shaft. It hooks up like the power shaft of your deck did with a pullback collar, and you are going to actually latch onto the power shaft underneath the mower. Once it has snapped into position, we're going to finish rolling the AERA-Vator back into position. We will have to slightly push down on the arms to get them to go down over the tops of the attachment bushings. While holding it down, go ahead and release your latch pins off both sides to get them to latch in on position. Now we will go through and we will hook up our traction chains, in this case lift chains, using the stake pockets. Same stake pockets that you used for the traction chain on your deck. We're going to take our hitch pins, slide the little pin back for the chain, push forward like you are attaching any other traction chain. Let your pin come back through the hole and attach with your hitch pin. We'll have to do that on both sides of this mower. So we will start by removal of the hitch pin. Slide the other pin out of the hole. Hook into the stake pocket. Pull down and forward. Put your pin through the chain, all the way through the bracket. Attach with your hitch pin. Release your traction tool. At this time now, we will release the footrest. Let it come down into its resting position. Bring the wiring up along the side to the outside of the lever. Fold your seat forward. Attach into your normal power fold wiring connector located to the left side of your seat. Once it is connected, you can fold your seat down and you're ready to go aerating. For the removal of the AERA-Vator, still be using the deck traction tool from the back of your deck. We'll start out like always by flipping up the footrest. We're going to hook our traction tool once again into the stake pocket off to the side. This is a little different. It has add-on hooks that's going to allow the traction chains to pull vertical versus the horizontal like what your deck would have. Still the basic same design. You're still going to pull forward on the handle, getting slack in the chain. We're going to remove it from the pin that it is mounted to on the machine. Once it is removed, go ahead and slide your pin back through the holes attached with your hitch pin. On both sides, we'll have to repeat that same procedure. So down in between the tire and the frame, you'll see that there is a stake pocket that we will slide our traction tool into. From here, we'll push it straight down and forward, getting slack into the chain. We will pull the hitch pin, slide this pin out of the way so that our chain disconnects. At the same time, let's go ahead and slide that pin right back through where it's at for safekeeping. Attach your hitch pin, release the traction tool. We will fold the seat forward just to gain access to the electrical plug-in just next to the seat, your power fold harness. Unplug it, bring it up to the fender, set your seat back down, let your wiring move forward with the attachment. Underneath the footrest, we are going to pull our D-rings forward, once again turning them 90 degrees, locking them over to the side. Release the power shaft. Let the hooks rock back. And from here, we were going to slide straight off the front. With the cart that comes with your AERA-Vators, it makes it fairly easy one-man job to remove it and pull it away from the machine. If you have any more questions about attachments on Grasshopper mowers, be sure to check out grasshoppermower.com. If you found today's video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel.